Uh, Today, I will explain about the curtain walls. Okay, right. Um, First of all, I can go to choose wall. Okay, in the wall category, you can go to find out the architectural wall. So, in the architectural wall, you can go to find out the property. In the property, you can find out the curtain walls. Okay, here you can find out the curtain walls empty. Okay, so I can choose the curtain wall empty. Here, I can choose my top construct. Right. Okay. Now I can choose this start end radius arc. So first of all, I click somewhere here. I click somewhere here. I can drag it like this. Now I can go to choose my 3D view. Okay. Here I can go to choose my edit. So here you can find out vertical and horizontal. So vertical we can go for fixed distance and horizontal also we can go for the fixed distance. Right. So first I choose these two, and after that vertical mullions I can go to choose circle mullions 50 mm radius. So I can choose these three, and here also I can choose it the mullions 50 mm radius. So after that I can go to choose apply and OK. So here you can find out this curtain wall was created. Here I can go back to edit. First of all, I have to choose this one. I can go to choose the edit. Here I can take this vertical grid around 300, and layout horizontal I can take it 6. So now it will be change, and now it will be smooth, right? So now I can go back to my edit. Here I can go to choose the horizontal 600 is okay, but horizontal mullions I can change it not. Okay, I will keep it not. Apply. Okay. Let's see. Now you can find out. This is the way I created my curtain panel. Okay. Now I can go back to my edit. First of all, I have to choose this one. I can go to choose edit. Here, the vertical distance also I can 600. Right. So it's okay. Now it's done. Okay. Now I can go to choose tab key and click this curtain panel. Go to edit. Right here, I can go to choose the curtain panel. So this is the profiles is available here. Okay. So I can go to choose solid. You can choose the solid. So now you can find out this become a solid. Right. Again, I can go to choose this panel. Can choose one panel first here. Okay, go to edit. If you want, I can go to choose the exterior and interior function, so I can go for exterior, right? Okay, now again I can go to choose my tab key, can choose it, the panel, edit. So this is the offset, so I can go for offset 0. So material, I can go to choose can make it like aluminium. So I can go for metals. So I can go for steel finish. Okay, right. Apply. Okay. So again, I can go to choose this one, edit. So I put it 100. I can go for the 50 offset. So what will happen now? So thickness also I can reduce around the 50. Okay, and apply. Okay. Now we can find out. It's become like this. So it's automatically changed. Again, I can select, go to choose, can go for 100 offset. Okay, now you can find out. So it will be created like this. Okay, now I can go back to my section view. Okay, so this is a section view. I go to see this one. So this is my section view. So I can go back to here. I can choose again my panel. So I can go to choose edit. I can put it around 60 mm offset. So it's now it's done. It's almost done now. Okay. Like, this is the way I created my curtain panel like this shape. Okay. So now you understand how I created the curtain panel like this way. So I can go back to my view, go to choose camera. I can place the camera somewhere here. So now you understand how I created this curtain wall like this shape. So this is a way we can create it. We can able to use our curtain panels like this element. We can able to create it. Okay. I hope you understand this tutorial. Thank you so much.